Hello everyone, this is Keto Jaden here. So, wanted to update everybody on, I was told that apparently my video yesterday, the audio wasn't very good in it. So if you didn't hear what I was saying that I was starting a fast, and it was going to be a prolonged fast. But I haven't done any fast in a while, and I really should have known this, that a lot of people just want to jump right into fast, right? And I'm just like, yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do a long fast, blah, blah, blah. But through my experience, it's really hard to do that just because of the hunger, right? So it's better to gradually do it. So start off one fast and, break your fast after a while, right? So you still do a fast, and then the next day you do it longer, and then the next day longer and longer until you can do longer fasts. And I forget the longest fast I've done. I know I've done at least a 24-hour fast before. I'm not for sure if I've done longer than that. I cannot remember. But my goal is I want to do a 3-4 day fast. But anyway, yesterday I broke my fast. I was at work, and for one thing, I deliver food. So that makes it harder too, smelling food all the time, right? So I broke down and I got food. And I'm not even doing keto right now just because it's so hard to find keto stuff that will fill me up when I'm out, right? So it's like pretty much any place you go, like I can go to Taco Bell and I can get the Power Bowl, but what do I have to have taken out of that? I have to have taken out the black beans, and I have to have taken out the rice. And then it's like half of it's gone. And I still pay the same price. So right now I'm not doing keto. I'm just trying this fasting thing. And I'm trying to do more prolonged fasts instead of necessarily doing keto. And the more that I've been experimenting with things, the more I wonder if fasting isn't the way to go. And then eating, not necessarily whatever you want, but having more freedom on what you eat when you do eat. If you're fasting. Because if you think of it, when you're fasting, you're going into ketosis in a while, after 16 hours maybe. If you're doing it a lot, probably sooner than that. It just really depends on how your body has adapted. If you've never been in ketosis before, it might take you even longer of fasting. I'm not exactly for sure, but the point is that you'll still be, if you do longer fasts too, you'll still be in ketosis most of the time. The only time you won't be in ketosis is when you break your fast and eat something. And then once you start fasting again, you'll be right back into ketosis. So, but my point is, with this video, is I'm just going to keep, each day, I'm going to try to prolong my fast more and more and more. Yesterday was almost a 17 and a half hour day of fasting. So really not that long, but for my first fast in a while, not that bad. Today, we'll see how long I go. So I stopped eating. My last meal was work yesterday at 7:30. It is now almost 2:30, I think. So we'll see how long I go. I at least plan to go till the same time, around 7, maybe longer. So which will be more than a 17-hour fast, because the night before when I ate when I came home from work around 2 in the morning. So that's why it was only, even though I waited till 7 o'clock at night to eat, it was still only a 17-hour fast. So this time I stopped eating last night at 7:30. So if I make it to the same time today, that will be a longer fast. So I don't necessarily need to go past 7:30. But if I can, I will. So we'll see. Maybe I can do a 24-hour fast today. So because if I go to 7:30, that'll be a 24-hour fast. So, and I do, as I can see, I do drink my black coffee when I'm fasting. So it's, black, no sugar, no creamer, no nothing. Just black. If you're fasting, that's all you can have is black coffee. Some people say you can't even have that, but I do, so. Anyway. So, yeah. We'll see how this fasting thing goes and see how long it takes me to build up to a 3-day fast. And another thing I do want to say before I go, though, is I found at the gas station, very good for fasting, right? So I'm also trying, now there's some drinks that, 0 calories, some energy drinks that are 0 calories, 0 sugar, all that. So technically you can have it while you're fasting. Some people say you shouldn't. So I did have one of those yesterday, but I'm really trying to stay away from that and just do black coffee and water. I also had, what was it, the Propel water. They have an electrolyte water, right? It has potassium, it has sodium in it. It has no flavoring, it has nothing else. It has no like dextrose or anything like weird in it that you shouldn't have. It just has plain potassium, sodium, water. That's it. So, and it's like $175. What you think about it? Okay, that's expensive. I don't like spending money on water, right? Because it's just water, right? But at the same time, you think of what other drink you would have got with that if you were getting something else, and the $175 is probably cheaper than whatever you were going to get. A soda would have cost the same price. Probably depending on what soda you got. And it probably would have been a smaller soda. I'll have to see if I can get another one today and show you guys. But I think it was like a 24-ounce bottle of water. So it was a fairly decent-sized bottle of water, right? So not all gas stations have it. I've seen it at break time. The Propel electrolyte water. Look it up. Or look to see if it's in your local gas station. It's good for on the go if you're fasting. So, because you don't always, especially with the longer fast, you want the electrolytes. You need the electrolytes. So, anyway, I'm going to keep you guys updated. So, yeah, see you guys later. All right, bye.